I'm Sarah, and I was just sent this 35-liter travel backpack. This thing feels very nice quality. It's got a lot of padding on it. It has different ways of carrying it. You've got your handle here. You've got a handle here. Some of my favorite things are all of the storage this thing has on here. It's got some side clasp here to kind of compress it down if you need to. You can put this over the back of your luggage, so if you didn't want to carry it on your shoulders, you can just put it on the backpack here. And then on the side, it actually has a little container if you wanted to put in, say, your water. We'll just hold your water bottle in there real nice. And in the front, you'd have different areas that you can put, say, your wallet. You can slide that in there. And you've got this nice area here that you could put different things like a book, quick things you want to access, maybe your keys, your pens, some gum, things like that, that you can just quickly get to if you're in an airport or sitting on the airplane. And these are a good size to be able to put on the airplane. You can put them overhead bins or under because they do compress down and they'll fold, they'll move with you, so it's not a steady item that you cannot compress down. So one part I found was really cool was the way these zippers are. So it looks like a backpack, but it actually works like a suitcase. I love this because that is one of my biggest challenges with backpacks is you got to shove all the stuff down and then you can never find it. This is just like a suitcase and it has packing cubes. Love packing cubes. If you don't know what these are an easy way to separate out your items and be able to find them. It makes everything so much easier when traveling. This has 6 different packing cubes that you can put different things in. Whether it is, your makeup that you can find easily, your hairbrushes, your clothes, and everything has its own place and it makes it really easy to keep track of. And they have some that are solid, you can't see through. And then other ones you can put, say, your clothes in and then zip it up and you can see through it. So then when you are packing, you can look in to make sure that you have everything you need, or when you're getting it out, you'll be able to grab it in there too. So I'm going to bring you in here and take a look at this awesome backpack. So once you have all of your packing cubes all set up, they've got the elastic strap in here that you can then hold them all in place. So you can undo that and then just place your bags back in here. And then whenever you are going somewhere, you've got everything nice and organized and you know exactly where everything is, which is awesome. I love packing cubes and I absolutely love that they have put these as part of this backpack. And then when you're going through security checks and stuff, you actually have all of this you can easily open up. And then it also has the zipper up the top here that you can put any other items that you want to get to quickly. And once you zip that up, there is another container that you can still use here. So one more zipper in the back here that you can easily place things in this nice padded soft area. It will actually hold a laptop. So then that is in there and you will easily be able to get to your laptop while you are traveling or device or whatever else you're wanting to put in there. Get out for a little test run. So we got this backpack. It's got these really nice thick padded handles. So it makes it really easy to sling over your back. And you can put the other one on. And then if you wanted to buckle it, you can, because they have that buckle right there in the front for you. You don't have to if you don't want to. But because of this nice wide strap, the weight is evenly distributed and it feels really good. I like this backpack a lot and I love the way that those zippers and pouches are all right there for you.